Today, we're going to put a Camso X4S ATV track system on this beautiful 2020 BRP Max XT. Three main things you need to remember before putting your ATV track system on is that you make sure that you do have, all the components included in the box with the systems. We'll show you the positioning of each track just to make sure that they end up in the right spot. And at the end, we will do like the adjustment for everything. So we will, verify the attack angle, we'll verify the alignment of the ATV, and we'll also double check the track tension in the track systems. When you take the tracks off the box, position them where they will end up being on the machine, just to make sure that no mistake will be made on installation. When you get your system, just make sure that you do have all the components. Every machine is different, so different parts are included in the box. So you need to make sure that before starting to dismantle your ATV to put your tracks on, you do have all the required pieces. Once everything's installed, make sure that all the adjustments are done. That means the track angle of both front and rear system. The alignment of the machine. And the track tension of all four track systems.